Remember, I said in code, we code in two different places now. Um, Now, the first part that I just did now is the class one. Now, the second one, the second place that you are to code at, it's under the button. And now, under the button, when you come this side, you are no longer declaring the variables and all those things that you do in PCP. In CP, you only come and assign the value from text box to appropriate to its appropriate properties. Like remember assigning they sometimes combine it with data validation, right? But in this side, when you assign, we do it like integer.trypace txt length, which is the text box name, right? And then cls musina, which is the class. This is the new thing in CP, the CLS. It's not in PCP. So you call the class that you created at first. You first create the class, and then this side you come and code under the button, and then you call the class, and then you set dot underscore the length, which is the field that you have created under the class. You see, now it's integer dot trypace, which is simply means assigning to, and then txt width, for example, which is the name of your text box, dot cls lecture, which is the name of your class, dot underscore width as a field that you have created on the first part that I told you. There are two things that you only do under the button. It's assigning and displaying. So this side we are to display, and you know where you are displaying lbl, maybe display dot text. That's the name of the thing you are using for displaying, right? And then assign to, maybe let's just say cls area, which is the class that you have created, dot calc area, which is the name of your public function, in brackets dot to string. Simple as that, ne? And this process, normally the question paper will call it to invoke the function to display, because you will be surprised in CP the question says invoke the function to display. So that's what you do in CP. You always advise your students, unless if you are a student, be advised that you must bear this in mind. Whatever you open, you also have to close. If, close with end if. Select case, close with end select case. Get, always close with end get. Set, always close with end set. For, always close with next. That's the differences that we are having in Visual Studio and also in Visual Basic, the software that has got many programming languages. That part of differentiating the difference between the Visual Studio and Visual Basic, I will give myself a time and do a video and help you understand, because students, they fail to understand there's a difference between Visual Basic and there's a difference between Visual Studio. Visual Studio, it's a software. Visual Basic, it's a language that we use to program with. So that will be coming next. Be ready for it. Thanks for following my YouTube channel. If you've got more questions, you will ask and I will assist you.